Good morning, and thank you for tuning into your daily Wallops weather briefing for Monday, July 2nd. Today is going to be the apex of the heat wave that we have been seeing here the past few days, and then we are going to be seeing those temperatures slowly decline as we go throughout the rest of the week. Taking a look at our conditions across the area from yesterday, we did see widespread temperatures in the lower to mid 90s across the entire mid-Atlantic region. Ocean City was the only area that failed to get up to 90 degrees with a high of 89. Here, Wallops, we got to 91, and up in Salisbury, we saw temperatures get up to 95 degrees. We did see some warm lows this morning yet again, with lows ranging from the mid 70s up to the upper 70s, with only 76 here at Wallops. As of 9 a.m., we are seeing those hot conditions already get off to a good start this morning, with most locations reporting temperatures in the mid 80s. We are also seeing already some dangerous heat indexes out there, with heat indexes already exceeding 100 degrees here at Wallops, and they are expected to only get worse throughout the day. So this is definitely going to be a day to make sure you stay hydrated and try to minimize any work that's done outside, as conditions will get better as we go throughout the week. So taking a look at our sounding from this morning, we do have that upper level ridge access as well as the high pressure directly over the mid-Atlantic region, and that has allowed for some light and variable winds pretty much across the entire column. We aren't seeing winds exceed 10 knots all the way up to 25,000 feet, with those winds pretty variable across the layers. So definitely seeing the effects of that upper level ridge across the entire atmosphere this morning. Taking a look at our satellite and radar loop here this morning, as you can see, there's really no cloud cover at all across much of the mid-Atlantic region until we get way over into western portions of Virginia. That is going to be the case throughout the day. We could be seeing some lower level clouds sparsely pop up as it's so humid outside, and we get some more lapse rates and possibly just a little bit of cirrus, but for the most part we are going to be seeing sunny skies today, and that's going to continue with mostly clear skies as we go into tonight. Those winds are going to be, were fairly light this morning. They have started to increase from the south-southeast a bit, which has ramped up the humidity just a bit since early this morning, and we are going to be seeing some very humid conditions with dew points in the 80s, and that will, like I have been stressing, give us some very dangerous heat indexes with those hot temperatures into the 90s as we go towards the early afternoon. Taking a look at our surface analysis, you can see that very broad area of high pressure that is dominating the entire mid-Atlantic region, and that is going to be the case throughout the day and then into the next couple of days too. But we will be seeing a inverted trough start to approach the coast from the southwest, or southeast rather, as we go throughout the week, and that's going to increase our easterly flow, helping to bump down our temperatures as we go later and later towards the week, towards the middle of the week. Taking a look at our forecast planner for today, high pressure, not going to be seeing much change in the next couple days, as high pressure will remain dominant across the area. We are going to just be seeing mostly clear skies as high pressure continues across the area, and that's going to continue into tomorrow night as well. As we go into tomorrow, we are going to be seeing, as you can see, we have that inverted trough there just north of the Bahamas. That's going to continue to make its way westward, and that is going to give us a little bit more of an easterly flow starting tomorrow, and that will help to keep our temperatures under that 90-degree mark. It's still going to be pretty warm and humid out there, but definitely going to be seeing much better conditions as we go through the week than we are going to be seeing today with these very hot, humid, and dangerous conditions out there. We're going to see that weak upper level or weak inverted trough down there continue to move westward throughout the week, increasing our easterly flow, and then by Wednesday we're going to be seeing some much more seasonable conditions and possibly an increase in cloudiness as we get that easterly flow and some more moisture into the area, helping to keep our temperatures down just into the mid 80s for our 4th of July. Taking a look at our weather chart for today, biggest hazard today is going to be those heat indexes. We do anticipate those heat indexes to max out between 105 and 109 degrees early this afternoon, with a high temperature of 92 degrees. Winds are going to max out around 8 to 13 knots from the south-southeast this afternoon, and then they will slowly weaken throughout the evening, becoming southerly around 3 to 7 knots overnight, and then light and variable early tomorrow morning. And we are going to be seeing partly cloudy to just mostly clear skies, with the main threat being some upper level cirrus as we go throughout the rest of the day into tonight. Could be seeing a slight chance of patchy fog as well tomorrow, as we're going to have continued very humid conditions with some lighter winds. Taking a look at our terminal forecast for today, we're just going to be looking at a few lower level clouds near 1,000 feet for much of the day, possibly seeing a very sparse amount of cirrus clouds, but it does look like we're going to be seeing mostly sunny skies. We will be seeing those skies become more clear towards sunset, with just a slight chance of some upper level cirrus developing, as well as the very, very patchy lower level clouds developing after midnight tonight and into early tomorrow morning. For tomorrow, we are going to be seeing that heat start to slowly subside, with a high of 87 expected under mostly sunny skies as that easterly flow starts to develop. Tuesday night, you're going to still be seeing a mild low of 74 under partly cloudy to mostly clear skies. And then for our 4th of July, we are going to be seeing partly to mostly cloudy skies at times as easterly flow increases, giving us a little bit more moisture with some more cloudiness. Only expecting a high of 84 with temperatures possibly in the upper 80s towards more central portions of the Delmarva for your Independence Day. Taking a look at our 7-day outlook, today is going to be the hottest day in the extended period here, with those heat indexes exceeding 105 degrees this afternoon. And then with that inverted trough to the southeast, we'll see those temperatures get down to closer to more seasonable levels, but still seeing some very warm morning lows as we have high humidity continuing throughout much of the week. On Friday, we are going to see southwesterly flow start to ramp up across the region again, so we are expecting temperatures back into the lower 90s for Friday across the Delmarva. But then on Friday evening into Friday night, we are going to be having a cold front finally pass the area, and that's going to give us some widespread showers and thunderstorms. Looks like a pretty good chance of seeing some possibly strong storms on Friday evening into Friday night. And then behind that cold front, we are going to be seeing temperatures dip down finally, possibly a few degrees below average for a change, with some lingering showers on Saturday morning, and then temperatures for Saturday only getting up into the mid to upper 70s across the Delmarva. And then Sunday is going to be looking absolutely beautiful, with a much more seasonable low for Sunday morning under partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies with a high in the low 80s. That'll do it for your daily Wallops weather briefing. We'll be back tomorrow morning at 8:15 a.m. and at 10 a.m. Have a great day.